सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। विद्यानामनरस्य रूपमधिकं प्रच्छन्न गुप्तं धनं विद्या भोगकरी यशस्सुखकरी विद्या गुरूणां गुरुः विद्या बन्धुजनो विदेशगमने विद्या परा देवता विद्या राजसु पूजिता न तु धनं विद्या विहीनः पशुः। स्वागतम्। अद्य आरभ्य वयं किञ्चित् कालपर्यन्तं तत्र भगवद्गीतायाः संग्रह इति ग्रन्थस्य द्वितीयभागं तत्र न स्वीकुर्मः। तत्स्थाने संस्कृतस्वाध्यायस्य चतुर्थी दीक्षायां तत्र वाङ्मयावगाहनी इति मन्ये तत्र ये अस्माकं कक्षाः पश्यन्ति प्रेक्षकजनाः अध्येतारः ये सन्ति तेषां समीपे अस्माकं एतत् पुस्तकं वर्तते इति अहं चिन्तयामि। आशासे एतत् पुस्तकं भवतां समीपे हस्तयोः वर्तते इति। भर्तृहरि नीतिशतकम् इति अस्य शीर्षकमस्ति पुस्तकस्य पूर्वार्धम्। अस्मिन् पूर्वार्धे 50 श्लोकाः तत्र स्वीकृताः भर्तृहरि महाकवेः। 100 श्लोकस्थाने तत्र 50 श्लोकान् स्वीकृत्य तत्र अभ्यासाः अपि निर्मिताः सन्ति। भिन्न भिन्न अभ्यासाः यथा वयं गीतासंग्रहग्रन्थस्य पठनसमये श्लोकं पठित्वा अन्वयार्थं पठित्वा पदपरिचयं कृत्वा पदार्थं दत्वा तत्र सारम् अपि पठित्वा अन्यान् अंशान् तत्र व्याकरणांशान् अपि पठितवन्तः। तद्वत् अस्मिन् ग्रन्थे अपि तादृशाः अंशाः सर्वेपि अंशाः अत्र उपलभ्यमानाः सन्ति वर्तन्ते। तान् अंशान् यदि वयं छात्राः कुर्वन्ति तर्हि संस्कृतभाषायां पटुत्वम् अवश्यं जायते इति अहं मन्ये। Friends, we are beginning today just for a change, keeping aside Bhagavad Gita Sangraha second part. We have taken over to Bhartruhari Niti Shatakam. This is also Chaturthi Diksha Purvardha, wherein 50 slokas, 50 poems of Bhartruhari, the great poet, king, philosopher Bhartruhari have been taken. 50 poems have been taken and they have been translated, commented, and various exercises have been added. More of what this book contains I am going to read in Sanskrit and then also explain to you.
Actually, this is part 1 only, sir. In level 4, this is part 1, and Bhagavad Sangraha is a part 2.
Okay. That's okay. So whatever it is, Purvardham, it is written. Now we straight go to the Purvak preface to the book. Srinivas, will you read? Or you want me to read? Read for your practice.
Yeah. Samskrita Shikshanam Sarvajana Priyam Sarva Sulabham Cha Kartum Rashtriya Samskrita Samsthanena Arabdhayaha
Swadhyaya Yojanaya Chaturthaha Ghattaha Vangmayavagahini iti. Yeah, after every sentence you pause. Samskrita Sikshanam, learning of Sanskrit, teaching of Sanskrit, Sarvajana Priyam, Sarva Sulabham Cha Kartum, to make Sanskrit learning a matter of pleasing to all people and simple to learn and pleasing to learn to all the people. kartum Rashtriya Samskrita Samsthanena, the Rashtriya Sanskrit Samsthan, which has published these books, Arabdhayaha. So this Rashtriya Sanskrit Samsthan started this mission of teaching all in a pleasant way Sanskrit. Arabdhayaha Swadhyaya Yojanayaha. So this is the what we call scheme called Swadhyaya Yojana study. And under this scheme, Chaturtaha Eshaha Gata, this is the fourth section of the scheme, Vangmaya Avagahini, Vangmayasya Avagahini, understanding the literature of Sanskrit. That is under this banner, Prathama
Vyavaharavatharani iti Prathama Diksha, Dvitiya Stale
Vyavaharavagahini iti Dvitiya Diksha Astam. Prathama Gatte, in the first section of this, Vyavaharavatarani, we have already gone through that. Vyavahara Avatarani, the introduction to the conversational aspect of Sanskrit was given to you. And the Prathama Diksha, that was Prathama Diksha. Dvitiya Stare, at the second level, Vyavahara Avagahani iti, understanding the proper understanding of the colloquial or spoken Vyavaharika Sanskrit, Dvitiya Diksha cha Parikalpita. These two were prescribed in the two levels.
Yeah, Tritiya Dikshayam Sankshepa Ramayanam
Viduraniti
Shatakam Ityadi Granthaha Prakashitaha.
As you know, those who have come up to this level of our watching our videos, in the third Diksha, Sankshepa Ramayanam, which has been taught by us, Viduraniti Shatakam, this also has been covered by us, Ityadi Granthaha Prakashitaha. These are published in the third level, in the third Diksha, Tritiya Diksha, Sankshepa Ramayana, Abridged Ramayana, and also Mula Ramayana, which is also called, and Viduraniti Shatakam. Prathama
Diksha
Patanena
Prapta Samskruta
Parichaya
Adhyeta Dvitiya Dikshaya Bhasha Vishaye Shuddhatam Dakshatam cha Prapya Tritiya Dikshayam Kavyadinam Adhyanaya
Arhatam
Prapnuyat.
So the intention is explained here. Prathama Diksha Patanena, by studying the first Diksha course, Prapta Samskrita Parichayaha, whatever acquaintance one gets with the Sanskrit, Adhyeta, the reader, Dvitiya Dikshaya, with the second Diksha, Bhasha Vishaye, with regard to the language, Sanskrit language, Shuddhatam, purity, correctness, Dakshatam, capability, cha Prapya, getting correctness and also the capability. Tritiya Dikshayam, in the Tritiya Diksha, Kavyadinam, we are coming across Kavya and other things, Adhyanaya, for studying the poetry and other things, Arhatam Prapnuyat, the reader may get eligibility to read Kavya and other things in the Tritiya Diksha.
Tatra Sankshepa Ramayanadinam
Madhyamena
Leelaya Vangmaya Pravesham Kartum Prabhavati.
There also Sankshepa Ramayanadinam, Sankshepa Ramayanam Viduraniti, what we have already studied, covered. Through that study, Madhyamena, Leelaya, very easily, sportively, Vangmaya Pravesham Kartum Prabhavati. So a beginner can enter into the literature of Sanskrit. Dikshayam
Tavat Vangmaya Dhrudadara Pravesha Purvakam Bhasha Sausthavasya Vividhan Ayaman Vividhan Vishayancha Jnatum Parayet.
In the fourth Diksha, Chaturtha Dikshayam, Tavat Vangmaye, in the literature, Dhrudadara Pravesha Purvakam, in a very, entering into the literature of Sanskrit in a very firm manner, Bhasha Saustavasya, and also the flexibility of language and, Vividhan Ayaman, various exercises, various dimensions of the language, Vividhan Vishayan, various topics, Gnatum Parayet. The student will be enabled to know various exercises and various topics by the Chaturtha Diksha.
Chaturtha Dikshayam Bhartruhareha Niti Shatakam पूर्वार्धम् उत्तरार्धम् इति भेदेन
भागद्वयेन
रघुवंशसंग्रहः च प्रकाश्यं
ज्ञेयः इति
संकल्पितमासीत्.
Okay. Now, Chaturtha Dikshayam, in the fourth Diksha, Bhartruharehe of this great poet Bhartruhari, Niti Shatakam, Purvardham. The Niti Shatakam means 100 poems of this. Purvardham means first half. Uttarardham iticha Vedena. So they have originally planned that Bhartruhari Purvardham, Bhartruharehe Purvardham, Uttarardham. Purvardham idanim prakashitam asti, Uttarardham manye etavat paryantam na prakashitam syat. Na jane ham. Bhagadvayena, with these two parts, Raghuvamsha Sangraha, Raghuvamsha Mahakavyasya Sangraha. So Raghuvamsha is also Mahakavya, 18 sargas are there. Just like Gita Sangraha we are studying, Ashtadasha Adhyaya tatra santi. So Raghuvamsha Sangraha cha prakashyam neyaha. So they thought second part of Uttarardha of Bhartruhari and this Raghuvamsha Sangraha should be also printed. Prakashyam neyaha should be published. Iti, thus sankalpitam asit. This was the original thought. Samprati
Bhartruhari Pranitasya Niti Shatakasya Swadhyaya Samagrim Adhetrujanebhyah Samarpayan Anandamanubhavati Rashtriya Sanskruta Samsthanam.
So the Rashtriya Sanskrit Samsthan feeling very happy, very happy to see that Bhartruhari Pranitasya, written by Bhartruhari, Niti Shatakasya, Niti Shataka, Swadhyaya Samagrim and Swadhyaya self-study material, Adhyetru Janebhyah, to all the learners, Samarpayan, while offering Anandam Anubhavati, is experiencing pleasure, Rashtriya Sanskrit Samsthan. So Rashtriya Sanskrit Samsthan is delighted to present this material before the learners. Next, we are going to see here something about Bhartruharihi Niti Shatakam cha, and is about his Niti Shatakam. Swakavya.
Swakavya pratibhaya jnanena cha labdha pratisthasya Bhartruharehe janma desha
kaladi vichare sapramanam
idamithamiti vaktum nasti yuktiriti vidusham matam.
So this is the opinion of the Vidusham Matam, this is the opinion of the scholars. Swakavya pratibhaya jnanena cha labdha pratisthasya Bhartruhari. Bhartruhari, who got so much fame because of his pratibha, because of his what do you call creativity, pratibha, swakavya pratibhaya, because of the fame of the kavya, and also because of the labdha pratishtha, because of his fame, he got the fame. So swakavya pratibhaya jnanena cha, and also because of his knowledge, rich knowledge, labdha pratisthasya Bhartruhari. Bhartruhari, who got so much fame, janma about this person, janma desha kaladi vichare, regarding his birth, his place and the time, the birth of his place, place of birth, place of time, place, etc. Sapramanam, with authority, idamittamiti, this is what, like that vaktum, to say na asti yuktiri iti. There is no possibility to say that this was the year, this was the date, this was the place where Bhartruhari was born. Yuktiriti vidusham matam. This is the opinion of the scholars, that we cannot pinpointedly say Bhartruhari was born on so and so, in so and so year, on so and so date, in so and so place, etc. Tathapi still.
Tathapi prasiddha janashrutehe adharena vidvadbhihi pratipaditaha vicharaha sankshepena ittamasti.
Okay, you can pause there. Tathapi still, even though we cannot know exactly as to when he was born, where he was born, prasiddha janashrutehe, because of the popular people saying, adharana, basing our study on the popular saying, vidvadbhihi, by the scholars, pratipaditaha vicharaha, the thought that is been presented by the scholars, sankshepena, in brief, ittamasti, it is like this. मालवदेशस्य राजा भर्तृहरि. Bhartruhari was the king of Malavadesha. Maharajasya Gandharvasenasya putraha. He was the son of Gandharvasena. Raja next. Asit. And the famous Vikramaditya king, Vikramaditya was his Kanishta brother, youngest brother of this Bhartruhari.
Bhartruhari Kalakramena Vairagyam Prapya Rajya Shasana
Rajya Shasana Dayitvam.
Rajya Shasana Dayitvam Anujaya Samartya Gorakhanathasya Shishyatvam Prapya Yogi Abhavat Iti. It
is said that Bhartruhari Kalakramena in course of time Vairagyam Prapya, he got totally detached. Rajya Shasana Dayitvam, the responsibility of kingship, Anujaya to his younger brother, Samarpya, having handed over. Gorakhanathasya, there is a tradition in North India. Gorakhnath was a great guru, yogi. So Gorakhnath Panth is there, Srinivas, in North India. South we are not very familiar with this. Gorakhanathasya Shishyatvam. So they say that he took to the studentship, became the disciple of this Gorakhnatha. Prapya, having become his disciple, Yogi Abhavaditi. So they say he became a yogi. Niti Shatakam. Next.
Niti Shatakam,
Shrungara Shatakam,
Vairagya Shatakam,
Padiyam, Ityadi.
Ityadi, Prasiddha Rachanaha, Bhartruhari,
Pranitatvena,
Vidvamsaha, Abhyupagachanti.
So what are the works written by this Bhartruhari are outlined here. Niti Shatakam, which is world famous. Prapanche Sarvatra Niti Shatakam Atyantam Prasiddham Asti. Aham Yavadaham Janami Bahushu Vishwavidyaliyeshu America Deshe Api Tatra Bhartruharehe Niti Shatakam Patyamanam Asti. Shrungara Shatakam Evameva na kevalam Niti Shatakam Shatakatrayam Virachitam Anena Mahakavina Shatakatrayam Vartati Ekamasti Niti Shatakam Dvitiyamasti Shrungara Shatakam Niti Shatakam Yuvakanam Balanam Krute Shrungara Shatakam Praudanam Krute Vairagya Shatam Vruddhanam Krute iti krutva iti vadanti Vairagya Shatakam iti Vakya Padiyam. Another work of grammar, I suppose, Vakya Padiyam ityadi Prasiddha Rachana. These are the, but there is a dispute. Vakya Padiya is not exactly written by this writer. Ityadi Prasiddha Rachana, these are the famous writings. Bhartruhari Pranitatvena, because they have been written by this Bhartruhari. Vidvamsaha, scholars, Abhyupagachanti, Angi Kurvanti, Abhyupagachanti Namangi. So scholars agree that he has written not only the three Shatakas, even Vakya Padiyam, but there is a dispute regarding that. Kintu
Niti Shataka
Karta
Bhartruhari Reva, Vakya Padiya Karta Bhartruhari
Vetyatra Keshamjit, that is what Vidushamasti. So just what I told you, that is said here. Kintu, but Niti Shataka Karta, who is the Niti Shataka Karta? Vayam Janimaha Bhartruhari. Bhartruhari eva Vakya Padiya Karta Bhartruhari va iti atra Vetyatra Sandhi Vichedam Karotu Srinivas. Va iti atra Vetyatra Guna Sandhina Saha Yanadesha Sandhi, Yan Sandhi. Vetyatra. So whether the writer of Niti Shataka and the writer of this Vakya Padiya is the same, in this regard, Kesham Chit Vidusham Asti Vipratipattihi. Many scholars have difference of opinion regarding this.
Prakaranasya
Auchitya Manusrutya
Bhartruhare Niti Shatakam Uddishya Kinchit Iha Prastuyate.
So Prakaranasya Auchitya Manusrutya, following the appropriateness of this subject, Bhartruharehe Niti Shatakam Uddishya, regarding the Bhartruhari's Niti Shataka, Kinchit Iha Prastuyate. Now something is briefly told here. Is presented here before the readers.
Bhartruhari Niti Shatakam Tavat Ekam Muktaka Kavyam.
Bhartruhari Niti Shataka is, firstly, it should be known that it is a Muktaka Kavya, means every poem is independent. There is no continuity. Like when you read a Mahakavya, there will be continuity from one poem to the other poem. All the poems will have some continuity. But here, each poem is independent, Muktakam. And you cannot link one poem with the other poem.
मुक्तककाव्यं तद्भवति यत्र अर्थदृष्ट्या प्रत्येकमपि श्लोकः
स्वतन्त्रः. So that is what Muktaka tadbhav. That is called Muktaka Kavyam. Yatra, where Arthadrustya, meaning wise, Pratyekam api sloka swatantra. Each sloka is independent.
नीतिशतके एतादृशाः शतं श्लोकाः सन्ति.
In the Niti Shataka, as the name itself suggests, Niti Shatakam. Shatakam nama shatam slokaah tatra. Niti Shatake etadrushaah, like this shatam slokaah vartante. There are 100 poems. Santi. Yeah.
ग्रन्थेऽस्मिन् भर्तृहरिः
स्वानुभव
सिद्धान् बहून् विचारान्
श्लोकरूपेण
प्रस्तुवन् जीवनोपयोगीनि नैतिकमूल्यानि बोधितवान्.
Bhartruhari Swa Anubhava Siddhan, whatever came of his experience, Bahun Vicharan, thoughts, many thoughts, Sloka Rupena in the form of a poem, Prastuvan presenting, Jivana Upayogini, useful to the life of all people, Naitika Mulyani, Naitika Mulyani means ethical poems, having the ethical value, Bodhitavani has taught us.
संस्कृतवाङ्मये सत्सु अपि बहुषु नीतिग्रन्थेषु भर्तृहरि प्रणीतः
विस्फोरकः
सुभाषितसमुच्चयात्मकः एष ग्रन्थः विशिष्टं स्थानं भजते.
Samskrita in the literature of Sanskrit, Satsu api bahushu niti granteshu. Although there are several niti granthas, niti books on this polity written on the Niti Shastra, so many books are there. In spite of there being so many in Sanskrit literature, Bhartruhari Pranitaha, written by Bhartruhari, Naitika Vichara Visporakaha, a book, a Shataka, which is a flash on the thought of morality, universe. Subhashita Samuchayatmakaha, which is in the form of a collection of good sayings, Esha Grantaha, this book, Visishtam Sthanam Bhajate, it occupies a very special place. Atra Sadguna.
Sadguna Virata Vidya Paropakara Dharmaha Tapasya Nishtha Swabhimanaha Bhagyam Purusharthaha Purusha Prayatnaha इत्यादि विषय बिंदूनां
प्रतिपादकाः सरलाः श्लोकाः
वाचकान् सभ्य व्यवहारं कर्तुं प्रेरयन्ति.
So, you can pause. It's a big sentence. Where he started? Atra, in this book, Asmin Pustake, in this book, he indeed Sadgunaha. What is a virtue? Virata, bravery. Vidya, education, learning. Paropakara dharmaha, the virtue of helping others. Tapasya, nishtha, austerity. Swabhimanaha, and self-respect. Bhagyam, fortune. Purusharthaha, human effort. Purusha prayatnaha, human endeavor. Ityadi Vishaya Bindunam, these are the points here which have been touched in this Niti Shataka. Ityadi Vishaya Bindunam Pratipadakaha Saralaha. So many simple poems touching all these points. Madhuraha, very melodious, lovely. Slokaha, Vachaka, and the readers. Sabhya Vyavaharam Kartum Prerayan. They encourage the readers to behave well.
Vyavahara Kaushalasya Digdarshanam Karayanti.
And they also, you can pass wherever comma is there. Vyavahara Kaushalasya. And also, Vyavahara Kaushala means how to improve our, Vyavahara, day-to-day life. Digdarshanam, they will be pointing out these things. Karayanti. Then they describe, these slokas describe the nature of the people.
Sajjanam Prati Vidushaha Kavin Praticha ऐश्वर्य संपन्न राजाभिः धनिभिः वा प्रियमाणं निष्ठुरता पूर्णं व्यवहारं हृदयहीनताचरणं अहंकारितां च कविः केषुचित् श्लोकेषु खण्डयति.
So where we start?
Sajjanam prati.
Yeah, Sajjanan prati towards the good people, virtuous people. Vidushaha Kaveen prati, and also towards the scholars and also poets. Aishwarya Sampanna Rajavihi Dhanivihi Va Kriyamanam Nishturata Purnam Vyavaharam. The dealings undertaken by, very Nishturata Purnam means full of, what do you say, criticism, or full of critical behavior by the rich Aishwarya Sampanna Rajavihi Dhanivi, by the rich who are very well off, towards the good people, towards the scholars and towards the poets. Hridaya Heenata Charanam. Hridaya Heenata Charanam. That is heartlessness, Hridaya Heenata, to disappointing the scholars and the good people. Ahankaritam, and also their ego. Chakavihi keshuchit slokeshu kandeti. The poet heavily condemns the attitude of arrogance, attitude of belittling others, people who look to learned people and poets and other good people because of their power. Such attitude is condemned in this.
Durvidagdhanam cha swabhava varna sajjananam vidyavatam cha shramam mahatvam cha avagamayati.
So in some poems the Bhartrihari poet makes us understand keshuchit slokeshu, in some murkhanam jnanalava durvidagdhanam cha swabhava varna purasaram. But in the form of describing the nature of the fools, murkha and ignorant people, vidyavatam cha shramam mahatvam cha. So while condemning the fools and the ignorant in some poems, he makes us understand vidyavatam cha shramam mahatvam, the greatness of the learned people and the endeavor they put in.
Manavatam jananam udaranam cha swabhavam nirdishati.
So it also speaks explicitly, it portrays the nature, svabhava, the generous nature of the people who are very humanitarian, manavatam.
Vikatayamapi parishthitau
kukarma charanam
na prashasyate iti udaharanaihi nirupayati.
He establishes by giving examples that even when the paristhiti, the situation is completely out of our favor or out of control, kukarma charanam, bad behavior, na prashasyate, is never praised in the society, appreciated, is never appreciated. So that he drives home by various examples.
Ahatya idamasti tatparyam yat etasmin niti shatake bhartriharihi मूर्ख निंदा सज्जन
प्रशंसादिभिः
तदाचरणस्य महत्वम् उद्घोषयति.
So ahatya, totally idamasti, in nutshell this is it. Tatparyam, the summary of it is that etasmin niti shatake, in this niti shataka, Bhartriharihi murkha ninda, what he undertakes to expose is the censure of the fools, sajjana prashamsadivihi, and praising the good people, sadacharanasya mahatvam, and showing the importance of good behavior, udgoshayati, he proclaims. Etadrusham
mahatmapurnam grantham
adharikritya.
Adhyayana samagri sancharita.
So etadrusham mahatmapurnam grantham adharikritya. So basing on such a wonderful, important book, Adhyayana Samagri Samrachita, the study material has been prepared. वैविध्य
पूर्णाभ्यास सहिता
एषा
सामग्री सौकर्यार्थं भागद्वयेन प्रकाश्यमाना वर्तते.
This material Vaividya Purnabhyasa Sahita, it is full of various exercises. Vaividya variety. Vaividya Purna Abhyasa Sahita. It has various. It contains various exercises. Esha Samagri. This material which has various exercises. Saukaryartham, for the convenience. Bhagadvayena, in two parts. Prakashamana Vartati, is being printed. Prakruta Adhyayana Samagryam Vishaya Prastuti Shaili. Now, what is the method adopted in the material, in the present material? Is
Bhasha Shikshana
Pradhanayam
Asyam Shikshana Samagriyam Vishaya Sannivesha Kramaha Itham Vartate.
Okay, you pause there. Now, what is this method adopted in the material in this book? Bhasha Sikshana Pradhanayam. So this material is basically stressing the importance of language learning. Asyam, in this Sikshana Samagryam, in this material of learning, Vishaya Sannivesha Kramaha, there is an index of the subjects, topics, Ittam Vartate, that is like this.
श्लोकः पदविभागः पदपरिचयः आकांक्षा अन्वयः प्रतिपदार्थः भाषात्रये भावार्थः भाषात्रये निदर्शनं व्याकरणं संधि समास कृदन्त तद्धित कारक कोशादि विषयाः छन्दः
बह्वायामीयाभ्यासाः इत्येते
अंशाः
सरलशैल्याः. So what are the divisions of this material is that Itamartha like this. Sloka, first sloka is given. Then Padavibha, as you have already seen. Ita Purvam Gita Sangraha Adhyene Vayam Eta Sarvamapi Tatra Dustavantaha. Padaparichaya, then Padaparichaya will be there. Akanksha, the method of inquisitiveness, then posing questions and answers. Anvayartha, the syntactical thing. Pratipadartha, each word meaning. Bhashatraye in 3 languages. Bhavartha, summary in 3 languages. Nidarshanam, the depiction of these things, description of Vyakarana. Then Sandhi, Vyakarana, Sandhi, you can read Sandhi, yeah. Sandhi, Samasa, yeah. All these things, सर्वाणि तत्र एते अंशाः गते अपि अस्माभिः दृष्टाः सन्ति. So कृदन्त, तद्धितान्त, कारक, the relation, kosha and dictionary, vyutpatti, etc. All these things. Chandaha. Now one additional feature is here, chandaha. The what you call chandas, meter. Knowledge of meter is also presented here. Bahu ayamiyaha. Bahavaha ayamaha means various dimensions. These are the various dimensions that he has. Vistara. Bahavaha ayamaha. Bahvayamiyaha. Abhyasaha. Abhyasaha means exercises containing various dimensions here. Vistara. Iti ete amshaha. These are the points there. Sarala shailya, in a simple style. Kramashaha prastutaha. Orderly, in this order they have been presented.
भाषा शिक्षणेन सह वाङ्मयान्तर्गत रचना विशेषस्य सुभाषित सहितस्य अध्ययन पुरस्सरं भाषायां माधुर्यमास्वादयितुम् एतस्य ग्रन्थस्य अध्येतारः प्रभवेयुः भाषायां प्रौढिमां प्राप्नुयुः विभिन्नशैल्या प्रयोगसामर्थ्यं प्राप्नुयुः आशयानां samarthyam prapnuyeti asha. So the publishers say, we hope ashasmahe bhasha sikshanena saha, along with the learning of language, vangmayantargata, whatever is there in literature, Sanskrit literature, rachana visheshasya, the speciality of the rachana, the style of, the importance of the style, Subhashita Sahityasya, of the literature of Subhashita, Adhyena Purasaram, by the study of Subhashita this, we will not only get Bhasha Sikshana, Vangmaya Antargata Rachana Visesha, we will also get to know the styles of Sanskrit writing, Bhashayam in the language, Madhuryam and the sweetness in the language, Aswadayitum to taste, to have a first-hand experience of the sweetness of this language, Etasya Granthasya Adhyetaraha, the students of this book, Prabhaveyuhu, they should be able to, that is the intention. Prabhaveyuhu means they will be able to. Bhashayam Praudimam, what is that? Praudimam may be wrong, Praudimanam, it should be Praudimanam Prapnuhu. They should get growth in language, they should be able to get growth in the language. Vivinna Shailya, in different styles, Prayoga Samarthyam Prapnuhu. They should be able to get to use with different styles. Ashayanam Vishadikarana Samarthyam, and they should also be able to express themselves, their opinion, and that is iti prapnuyuhu iti. May they get all these benefits iti ashasme, we hope. Now the next I don't want to read that. That is paying gratitude or thanks to all the people involved there. That is so we have. I am only confining myself. Ashasme. So publishers wished that this is the material, this is the thing. Now in the two paragraphs, nothing but people who have contributed, their names, they can read it. So vayam atra gacchamahe ardha ghanta yavat etat sanjatam shloka suchi prathama prushthe shloka suchi vartate dvitiya prushthe pitadeva sanketa suchi. Now sanketa suchi they can follow, I think. Eka means ekavachanam, dvi means dvivachanam, third page Srinivas. Yes. Bahuvachanam bahu, pra means pratama, dvitiya, that you know. Pratama purusha, pra, pu, this is pratama purusha, third person. Madhyama purusha is second person, uttama purusha first person. Pu, pum, actually it should have been pu, but pu stands for pullinga, masculine. Stri for strilinga, napumsaka, napumsaka. Tri means trilingaka. So there are so many words in Sanskrit which are trilingakas. That means one word will be available in Pullinga, Strilinga and also Napumsakalinga. In Samasa description, Dvitiya Tatpurusha, Dviti means Dvitiya Tatpurusha, Tru means Trutiya Tatpurusha, that you can see up to 9 Tatpurusha. Then Antya Varna Nirdeshaha, that is what is the ending of the word. A means Akaranta, Da means Dakaranta, Evameva Anyasham. You have to imagine all Ajantanam, Halantanam, of all the vowel endings and also consonant ending nouns. Anyaha Sanketa, another Sanketa. You have to Sarva means Sarvanama Shabda, pronoun. Vili means Vidiling, potential mode. Kra Vi means Kriya Viseshanam, verbal adjective. Vi means Viseshanam adjective. Samastam means compound word. Atma means Atmanepadi. You know there are two sets in our verbs. Kriya Padeshu Tatra. केचित् धातवः आत्मनेपदिनः केचित् परस्मैपदिनः वर्तन्ते तत्र. सो परस्मै मीन्स परस्मै. उभय मीन्स देयर आर केचित् धातवः क्रिया कानिचित् क्रियापदानि केवलं न केवलं परस्मैपदिनः आत्मनेपदिनः उभयपदिनः सन्ति. सो देयर आर आत्मनेपदा बेसिकली परस्मैपदा एंड सम आर उभयपदीस् लाइक पचति पचते, सूदः पचति, सूदः पचति, सूदः पचति परस्मैपदम, सूदः पचते आत्मनेपदम. सो दैट इज उभयपदी. देन भूकाक्रु, व्हाट इज दैट? भूतकालिक कर्मणि कृदंतम. दिस इज एक्स्ट्रा फ्रॉम आई थिंक इन द लास्ट बुक वी डिड नॉट. वी पू कर्म मीन्स विशेषण पूर्वपद कर्मधारय, विशेषण उ उत्तरपद कर्मधारय, अवधारण पूर्वपद कर्मधारय. इन कर्मधारय दिस इज वेरिटी. When we go to that, I think that's it. So, atra vayam sarva prathamam adivam slokam tatra patitum yatnam kurmaha. Yes, sloka patyatam yadaniti. But there I know here is Anushtubh only. So you can Gita sloka like. Tikkaladhyavachinna ananta chinmatra murtaye Svanubhutyekamanaya Shantaya Tejase. So opening with Anushtup Chandas here. Padachedam karomi. Dik kala adi anavachinna ananta chinmatra murtaye swa anubhuti ekamanaya namah shantaya tejase. Iti adau granthasya arambhe. We have a practice in Sanskrit study or tradition. Alankara Shastras tell us that a kavya should begin either with ashir or namaskriya or vastu nirdesha. Ashir, namaskriya, vastu nirdesha. These are the three things. Either the writer, Srinivas, either the writer will invoke the blessing of the god for the benefit of the readers and audience, if it is a drama, audience, if it is kavya, for the sake of the readers, blessing of the god, patunaha. At the end he says, patunaha, may such a Lord protect us all. That is called Ashir Purvaka. Mangalacharana, what we call Ashir, Namaskriya, Vastu Nirdesha. So there are three things. Ashir, Namaskriya. This is Namaskriya. Either you invoke the blessing or you pay your tribute to that god, your favorite god. Vagartha viva samprukto vagartha pratipattaye jagataha pitarau vande parvati parameshwarau. Kalidasa in his Raghuvamsha he pays his respects to Parvati Parameshwara in the form of Namaskriya. Vagartha viva samprukto vagartha pratipatti jagataha pitarau vande Parvati Parameshwara. I salute Parvati Parameshwara, who are the parents of the Jagat. Jagataha pitarau samastasya jagataha pitarau Parvati Parameshwarau tau aham vande Kalidasaha. Kimartam vande, then he says Vagartha. That is Namaskriya. This is also Namaskriya. Vastu nirdeshaha. You specify some Vastu nirdesha means you indicate the story of the kavya that you are going to describe. So either of these three things should be there in the beginning of a kavya, that is called Mangalacharana, what is prescribed in the traditionally it is done. Now Vastu Nirdesha example, Kalidasa's another Mahakavya is there. Kumara Sambhava. It begins with Asti Uttarasyam Dishi Devatatma Himalayo Nama Nagadhirajaha. Asti Uttarasyam Dishi. There is in the northern direction. Asti Uttarasyam Dishi Devatatma. He says there is a Devatanam Atma. Himalaya is called by Kalidasa as the soul of the gods. The very soul of the god. Devatatma. Himalayo Nama, by name Himalaya, Nagadi Raja, that is the king of all the mountains. That is how Kalidasa opens his Kumara Sambhava very beautifully with Vastu Nirdesha there. There is in the northern direction a great mountain, king of the mountain, which is the very soul of the gods. Purva Paratoya Nidhavagahya, which is encompassing the eastern and the western ocean, which is expanding into the eastern and the western ocean. Sthitaha Prithivyaha Manadandahaiva. So it is standing, the Himalaya is standing, extending itself into the eastern and the western oceans and standing as if it is the measuring rod for the entire earth. Prithivyaha Manadandahaiva Sthitaha. So that is how beautifully that kavya starts. So here the Bhartruhari has used Namaskriya. Namaskriya is used. Pada Parichayam first will do. Dikkala Dyanavachinnan, Dikkala Dyanavacchinnananta Chinmatra Murtaye. Big compound word. We'll see. Samasta Padam. Visheshana Samasta. Svanubhutyekamanaya Namaha. Oh no. Why in the beginning like this? Namaha. It could be Namaha Namasi Namamsi.
namamsi bhuyamsi we say it also. But avyaya is also there. Yeah. Yes. Shantaya. Yeah. Tejase. So Akankszam tavat pashyama namaha. Salutation. Kasmai namaha. For whom salutation? Ultimately it is Paramatma who is Dik Kala Adi Anavachinna, who is not conditioned by the Dik directions, time and other factors. Ananta Chinmatra Murtaye, who is endless, eternal Chinmatra, who is pure consciousness. Murtaye is who is in the form of consciousness. To that super soul salutation. Punaha Kasmai Namaha. Again salutation to whom? Swa Anubhuti Ekamanaya. Only, this God can only be known by Anubhuti. Swa Anubhuti Ekamana. That is itself is one mana. Swanubhuti Ekamanaya. Who can only be known by one's own experience. That itself is the authority there. Such a Paramatma. To him salutation. Punaha Kasmai. Again to whom? Shantaya Paramatmane. Who is in the form of peace. To him salutation. Punaha Kasmai. Who is in the form of light. Tejas. Luminous. He is. God is light. For that. So this is Akanksha, very short one. Anvayartham.
Dikkaladhyana chinna ananta chinmatra murtaye swanubhutyegamanaya shantaya tejase namaha.
So dik kaladi anavachinna ananta chinmatra murtaye swa anubhuti ekamanaya shantaya tejase namaha means my salutation, the poet says, salutation to that deity, Murti of Tejas, of shining or splendor, what do you call Tejas means luster, which is beyond the divisions of, Kaladi, Dik Kaladi, beyond the divisions of direction and also time, and who is which is eternal. Here is Tejas, so which is eternal, Ananta, and which is full of consciousness and which is very peaceful, composed of peace, and which can only be known, understood. So what is that word used here? Swa Anubhuti Ekamana, which can be known, understood only by through the self realization, experience. By experience, that is the meaning here. More such a thing. This is only Namaskriya. So Padartham, Srinivas. Dikkala Adi Anavachin. Oh, 111 separately is given. Dik means Disha. Purvadi Dishaha. So Purva Dik, Uttara Dik, Dakshina Dik, etc. All the directions. Purvadi Dishaha. This Shakaranta Shabda, Dik, Dishau, Dishaha. This is Strilinga Shabda. So Prathama it will be Dik, Dishau, Dishaha, Disham, Dishau, Dishaha, Disha, Digbhyam, Digbihi, Dishe, Digbhyam, Digbhyaha, like that. So please look into Shabda Manjaris, Shabda Manjariyam, Ayam Shabdaha Tatra Avashyam Bhavet. So Dishaha, that is. So another name for Disha is Kasta. Kasta, Strilinga. Not kastam means wood. Strilinga Shabda is there. Kasta, Akaranta Strilinga. Kasta, Kaste, Kastaha. Like Kanya, Kanye, Kanyaha. Dishaha Nama, Kastaha. Directions. Kala, Srinivas. Bhavishyakya
भविष्याख्याः त्रयः
Samaya. So Kala referring to Bhuta, Vartamana, Bhavishyat, Akya means called. Bhavishyakyaha called. There are 3 times when we refer to Bhuta, Vartamana, Bhavishya. Akyaha, Trayaha, Samaya. 3 times referring to the past, present and the future. Adi, Ityadi, etc. Anavachinna,
अपरिमित
Asankuchita, Aparimita, Asankuchita, unlimited, which cannot be otherwise measured. Ananta, Antarahita, Avinashi, otherwise. Chinmatra Murtaye,
चैतन्यात्मकाय
Chaitanya Atmakaya, Chaitanyatmakaya, which is in the form of consciousness. Swanubhutyekamanaya,
स्वानुभवैक वेद्याय
Swanubhavaika Vedya, which can be known only by Swa Anubhava, which can be known only by one's own experience or realization. Shantaya
शांत
Swarupini, which is in the form of peace, peace personified. Tejasi,
ज्योतिः स्वरूपाय
Jyotishe Prakasha Rupaya, Tejase Prakasha Rupaya, which is also in the form of light. Namaha, Namaskaraha. So, salutation to such Lord who is in the form of luminous light and which can be known only by one's own experience and which is not conditioned by the time and place and things like that. Bhavartham, Srinivas. पूर्वादि
भूतादिकालैः अवस्थारूपादिभिः च उपाधिभिः अपरिच्छिन्नाय अनन्तचैतन्य स्वस्वरूपिणे स्वानुभवैकवेद्याय तेजोमूर्तये परमात्मने नमोस्तु.
पूर्वादि दिग्भिः, पूर्वादि अष्टदिग्भिः, by all the 8 directions. Bhutadika 3, Bhuta Vartamana Bhavishyad Adi Trikalaihi, with the 3 times. Avastha Rupadibihi, Avastha nama condition. Avastha Rupadibihi cha Upadibihi, which are attributes. Avastha means Jagrada Avastha, Swapna and Sushupti. These are the avasthas, which is also not conditioned by Jagrada Avastha or etc. Avastha Rupadibihi cha Upadibihi. Upadi means limitation. You know the word. So not conditioned by Aparichinnaya, who is not conditioned by these things described. Ananta Chaitanya Swarupini, who is in the form of endless, eternal consciousness. Swa Anubhava Eka Vedyaya, who can be known only through one's own experience. Tejo Murtaye, that is Tejase Prakasha Rupaya, who is in the form of, which is in the form of luster, light, luminous, not luminous, light, luster. Paramatmani, to that super soul. Namo Astu means salutation to that. Now I think English is okay. So Sarva Prathamam Nidarshanam Asti Atra Vyakarnamshaha. Srinivas Sandhi Dikkaladi.
Dikkala plus Adi Savarna Niyuktha.
Anavacchinnananta.
Anavachinna plus Ananta Savarna Niyuktha.
Dikkaladyanavacchinnananta. Chinmatra up to that.
Dikkaladi plus Anavacchinnananta Yanshandi. Chinmatra is Chit plus
Anunasika. Swanubhutihi. Swa plus Anubhuti. Dirgha Sandhi. Anubhutyaikamānāya. Anubhuti plus Anubhuti, there and Sandhi. Anubhuti Ekamānāya. Where is Vruddhi Sandhi here?
Anubhutyaika.
Bhuti Eka. अनुभूति एक अनुभूत्यैक समास दिक्कालाद्यनवच्छिन्न ओ अनंत चिन्मात्र मूर्ति दिस इज द टोटल बिग कंपाउंड वर्ड च कालः च सो फर्स्टली इट इज बंधन दिक् मीन्स डायरेक्शन दिक् च कालश्च सो दिक्कालौ
दिक्कालौ आदि येषां ते दिक्कालादयः बहुव्रीहि समासः
next step is दिक्कालौ we have got it दिक्कालौ आदि आदिहि आदि in the as their beginning yesham those things which have this dik and kala in their beginning te those dikkaladaya those things which are called dikkala bahuri samas
दिक्कालादिभिः अनवच्छिन्नं
दिक्कालाद्यनवच्छिन्नं छिन्नं दिक्काला तृतीय तत्पुरुष दिक्कालादिभिः by these things anavacchinnam uninterrupted or which is otherwise cannot be measured anavacchinnam then anavacchinnam
अनन्तं चित् मूर्तिः यस्य सः दिक्कालाद्य अनवच्छिन्न
मूर्तिः
अनन्त चिन्मात्र बहुव्रीहिः तस्मै.
This is a tough job for the students also. Dikkalaadyanavacchinnam anantam chit murtihi yasya saha. Saha, that yasya whose murti, deity, whose person, murti means idol or deity, chit, consciousness, anantam which is endless, anavacchinnam which is asankuchita, anadi, dikkaladi, which is not measured by or checked by dikkaladi things. So if you go from back to front, then you understand better. He who has such a form, so dikkaladya anavacchinnananta murtihi, you get. Then tasmai chaturthi, murtaye, tasmai murtaye. Then svanubhutyekamanaya.
स्वस्य अनुभूतिः स्वानुभूतिः षष्ठी तत्पुरुषसमासः. स्वानुभूतिः एव एकं मानं यस्य तत् स्वानुभूत्यैकमानं बहुव्रीहिः तस्मै स्वानुभूत्यैकमानाय.
Swasya anubhutihi, one's own experience is called svanubhutihi. Shashti tatpurusha. Svanubhutihi eva ekam manam. No, one's own experience alone is the mana, the what do you call pramana? Pramana. That is only the pramana. Yasyata, that means that light which can be only known through the pramana called anubhuti. Svanubhutyaicamanam bahuri tasmai. So these are all adjectives to tejase. Tejas shabda is in chaturthi, tejase. Namaha, etc. Krudanta? Murt. Yes. Tin. Anubhutihi. Bhuit. Manaya. Chaturthi. Manaya. शान्तः शम इति धातुः तान्त. अत्र वयं स्थापयामः तद्धितान्तम् अनन्तरं शुभं भूयात्.